Hello, everyone. This is Professor Angela Payne. Just wanted to touch base with you and hope that all is going well for you this week. This is our third week of beginning keyboarding, our 8-week class, and I just want to touch base with you to give you some friendly reminders, some keyboard shortcuts that you may find useful in the future, and also the secret to improving your typing. This week you should be working on lessons 6 through 15. If you've gotten behind, please get caught up because the 8 weeks will be over before we know it. Please pace yourself so that you do not stress yourself out. Complete several lessons per day or at least every other day. Work at times that you are most energized. Whether you're a morning person or an evening person, you pick the time that's best for you. Also, studies show that when adults break up their work in chunks of time, that helps you to retain the material as well. Maybe work an hour, rest an hour, and work another hour. And you can put those time frames however it fits into your schedule. Basically do what works best for you to get your lessons done correctly and by the due date. I do allow a 1 or 2 day grace period for this week beyond the due date if someone needs to work through the weekend. On this page is just some tips that you can use beyond this class. You won't be tested over these particular keyboard shortcuts, but they're very useful. For example, sometimes I am using website courses and there is no print button on the website. So I've recalled from learning a long time ago that you can press, for example, Control and the P key as in print on the keyboard, hold both of those keys down at the same time, Control and hold down the P key as in print, and you can usually print a particular page. So there's a list of different keys, shortcuts that you can use in Word, Excel, PowerPoint. They usually work across those programs. And one of my favorite keys is the undo button, Control Z as in zebra. For example, there have been times I've been typing an email and it had several paragraphs and I had put a lot of work into it. And lo and behold, I think this has happened to all of us, somehow it got deleted before I could send it. So I immediately recall that I can use the Control and Z button or undo button, and it has saved me many times. So you want to check that out if you ever need it. Last but not least, I would like to share with you a video on the secret to improving your typing. And actually the word secret is an acronym or mnemonic. For example, S is for sit up straight and T is for tap the keys lightly. So I think you will like this video and it'll show you some tips. Again, for my office hours and keyboarding technical support phone number, please refer to the syllabus that's located at Canvas website that we sent out the first day of class. Also note that your lesson grades from this point will be posted at the GDP Keyboarding website. The only thing that will be posted at Canvas will be your week 1 assignments. So again, your lessons will be posted at the GDP Keyboarding website at this point. Again, this is Professor Payne, and I hope that you have a great week, and I hope that these tips will help you.